You've probably seen creators and small businesses building full AI apps without coding, chatbots, automation tools, internal assistants, even mini AI products they can sell. And one name that keeps popping up is Emergent AI. But in 2026, is this platform really the best AI app builder, or just another tool making big promises? Welcome to GigaBits, where we review the most requested AI platforms so you can choose wisely. Today we're diving deep into Emergent AI to find out if it's truly worth your time. I spent several days testing Emergent AI across different project types: customer support bots, workflow assistants, data analysis agents, and small business automation systems. I compared performance on desktop, mobile, and browser versions, and even checked how well the apps run when shared with clients or teams. What I found was consistent. Emergent AI is extremely fast at generating prototypes, but performance depends heavily on how complex your app becomes. During testing, some features impressed me, like instant UI creation and multiple agent personalities, while others felt limited, especially when handling large datasets or advanced logic. So before deciding if Emergent AI is the right tool for you, let's break down its claims. Emergent AI promotes itself as an all-in-one AI app builder where anyone can build personalized assistants, automation tools, and custom workflows without writing a single line of code. It promises fast app generation in minutes, customizable AI personalities, business-ready sharing options, integrations with popular tools, and APIs. All of this sounds impressive, but like any AI platform, the real question is whether the outputs are reliable, scalable, and useful in real-world tasks. Let's look at the evidence. Step 1. App building speed. Emergent AI builds prototypes extremely quickly. A basic chatbot or automation assistant can be generated in under a minute. The platform's UI builder is clean and easy to use, making the early stages smooth even for beginners. Step 2. Customization. Strength. You can customize behavior, tone, workflows, and structure of your AI apps. However, deeper logic, such as multi-step decision paths or conditional triggers, sometimes requires workarounds, which may frustrate advanced users. Step 3. Data handling. Emergent AI works well with small and medium amounts of data, but when I tested large files, advanced analytics, or continuous memory, the system lagged or simplified results. It's powerful, but not yet built for heavy enterprise-level workloads. Step 4. Sharing and deployment. One of Emergent AI's strengths is how quickly you can share your finished app. You can send a link, embed it, or deploy it for clients. The experience is clean and professional, though branding options are still limited. Step 5. Pricing and value. The platform's pricing is competitive compared to other AI builders, but depending on how many apps you run or how often they process data, usage costs can increase. It's affordable for creators and small teams, but larger businesses will need higher plans. So is Emergent AI worth trying in 2026? If you want a fast, intuitive way to build AI tools without coding, Emergent AI is easily one of the strongest platforms right now. It's ideal for creators, freelancers, educators, and small businesses. However, if you need highly complex logic, large-scale data processing, or enterprise automation, Emergent AI may feel limited. In short, it's powerful, user-friendly, and absolutely worth trying, as long as your projects aren't too advanced. If this review helped you decide whether Emergent AI is right for your projects, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We review the most important digital tools every week. Hit the like button if this breakdown helped you, and let me know in the comments which AI builder you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you navigate the AI world with clarity and confidence.